Welcome to the district of Rochford, a collection of market towns and quaint villages surrounded by rivers and the North Sea. This district is teeming with opportunities for its young people. From the stunning Hockley Woods to the sports on offer at King George's Park in Rayleigh, there is no shortage of fun and active pursuits to keep our young people engaged and energised. But for some of these young people, we know that in today's society there can be challenges. Through the VVU's listening project, we spoke to Rochford's young people and they said they didn't always have a sense of safety when out, especially at night. So what else did our young people tell us? They would like more activities, clubs and youth provisions open all year round and for them to be more available to them throughout the week. And more youth workers will be most welcomed. For the VVU, this is just the beginning of how we support this community. We research, pore over testimonies, evidence, data, then collaborate with partner organisations and local community groups to help support these developments. Responding to the local need for the VVU, it's about supporting local groups and initiatives. Bar and Bus is known for its innovative youth engagement. They reach out to young people in various settings through detached youth work, offering support and skill building opportunities.
From my work in schools and from my work in detached, there are issues with drugs, there are issues with violence and gangs. So I do think there's a lot of scope for a lot more important youth work to go on. The VVU have given us that funding, really made a difference to us. It's between 40 and 50 young people that I can impact on as individuals every week. And actually, even if one person valued what was said and remembered it for the future, then I think my job is worthwhile. I'd like to see more projects like this. I'd like to be able to put together healthy relationship projects. I'd like to do some projects with young men as well, about consent and about relationships and all of the aspects that young people have to sort of address in their lives. And I'm passionate about what I'm doing and that the young people deserve more.
A vital support network we're helping fund is a team around the Family and Support Officers, or TAFSO. The TAFSO offers coaching, modelling and training support to help individual practitioners such as health workers and teachers. They gain the skills they need to provide tailored support for the families they work with.
We support the network that's already involved in supporting a family or young person, whether that be signposting, support just for the professionals that are already involved, introducing them to different early help approaches, what's available in the community, and really kind of linking them up and making sure that they're working together with the families. Our role is kind of crucial to be able to support practitioners to kind of think outside of the box and look at what's available in these local communities for these young people. Looking at the VVU's funding, my role now focuses on young people and children at risk of entering the youth justice system. And with that comes another focus on children at risk of permanent exclusion. We're seeing younger and younger children being unnecessarily criminalised. Without backing and support and finances, really, really amazing services just can't continue.
And the Wilderness Foundation, who stand out in their unique approach through utilising the therapeutic power of nature to heal and empower.
So we bring a sense of respect and care to people who are often very vulnerable and who haven't had huge amounts of care. But what we also bring them is nature. So for many people, they don't access nature in the way that we do. So we play, we get muddy, we connect with trees. Sounds very fluffy, but it's actually giving people a sense of place where they can be calm and feel understood and where they can be themselves. We are always going to be working in partnership with people like the VVU, do the work they need on the ground, and they're helping us facilitate the funding to be able to make that happen.
All these initiatives have played a part in fostering a strong support network across the district, reinforcing its community's strong bond. In the past year, the VVU has reached more than 48,000 children and young people across Essex. Since 2019, we've invested more than £7 million in community support and interventions. Key programmes include the Reroute programme, helping those arrested for violence and drug possession, and the Listening Project, which has had direct conversations with more than 1,500 young people to improve their safety and tackle youth violence. Last year, an incredible £1.6 million was directed towards targeted interventions based on these conversations. And we will continue to listen to the aspirations and ambitions of the young people in Rochford, working with the community to help support these hopes and dreams.